Tired of the import maze? We've got the key. Introducing our Express Cargo Service, your one-stop solution for door-to-door imports. Whether you're a business owner or an individual importer, we know that time and safety are top priorities. That's why our service is designed to be fast, reliable, and hassle-free. From pickup in China to delivery at your doorstep in Pakistan, we've got you covered. Our dedicated team handles every detail, sourcing, packing, and managing customs clearance, ensuring your goods arrive safely and on time. Worried about tracking? With real-time updates, you're in control every step of the way. Plus, our transparent rates and expert support give you peace of mind, letting you focus on your business while we handle the logistics. Importing has never been this easy. Contact us today at 0333321151 or 032138939692 for a hassle-free shipping experience with our Express Cargo Service. Express Cargo Service, making global trade simple and accessible.